Hello everyone and welcome back to Ohio Railroad Productions. In this video I include all the footage I captured on the Kanawha River Railroad on May 2nd and May 4th, 2022. On May 2nd I chased KN380 from Watkins Yard all the way down to Refugee Road, which was nice because I've never caught anything on Refugee Road before. I got a great shot of it, not only crossing the road but also crossing over a bridge right on the other side. But on May 4th, I was running a little short on time, so I only caught them crossing Band and Diamond, but it was still neat. So, without further ado, let's go ahead and start the video. We're gonna go check the overpass again, and then I'm gonna make my way out east and try to catch 380 from somewhere a little different. I would go down there, but there's workers there. I don't want to get in their way. Union Pacific, alright. Two of them. Just by themselves? Oh yeah, like a light power move of some kind. Huh, I really wish I could have been down there. They're on their way. Well, that about wraps up our video. I don't know what more to say. Very successful day on the West Virginia secondary. Caught a few good catches, and that light Union Pacific power move was really very neat too. I do have a future video planned, probably going to be my next video. I was at the Ohio Railroad Museum on May 8th, so expect that video very soon. And with that, I'd like to thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you wish. Check out my other content because that does help. And I'll see you in the next video. Hope you all have a nice day.